Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to buy these amazing Christmas cards. Why is it that the humble Christmas card never seems to lose its charm? Even in the digital age, the tradition of sending a tangible piece of holiday cheer is as popular as ever. One place in particular is making it easier to find that perfect card to spread the Yuletide joy: Etsy. One must-see listing comes from the talented Fiona Scoble, who owns and operates the Church Mouse Press shop on Etsy. The star of this listing, a Christmas card that features an adorable kitten nestled in a Christmas tree, a scene illustrated with an original watercolor painting by Scoble herself. This unique card is printed on high-quality FSC-approved board right in the United Kingdom. It's an A5 size card, making it a perfect canvas for the watercolor kitten, and it comes with a cream envelope, adding a touch of elegance to your holiday correspondence. Now, what makes this card truly stand out, aside from its charming design, is the opportunity for discounts on larger orders. It's an ideal pick for those wanting to send a bit of unique holiday cheer to many loved ones. The card is priced at a reasonable $3.98, a small price to pay for a piece of art that brings joy to its recipients. And speaking of recipients, customers such as Dawn, Kate Frodsham, Susan, and Jacinta have expressed their satisfaction with the card's quality and artwork. Positive reviews underscore the value of this card, highlighting both its quality and uniqueness. So, in the search for the perfect Christmas card, one that combines tradition with unique design and quality with affordability, consider this delightful offering from Church Mouse Press on Etsy. After all, there's something special about a Christmas card that's not just a card but a piece of art. And who knows, this might just become your new holiday tradition. And now, dear viewers, it's your turn to take action. What better way to spread the holiday cheer than with these unique Christmas cards from Church Mouse Press? Remember to check out the link in the description below to buy these charming cards. Don't miss out on making your loved ones feel special this festive season. Happy shopping!